quick hot tip for you. If you fold your own greeting cards, then you want to have a nice clean fold, and you also want them to come edge to edge here and not one that be hanging over. Some people like it to be able to open the card. I like it to come together. So my hot tip is, first, get yourself a A4 sheet of your chosen card to make it. Cut yourself 2 pieces. That will give you 5 3/4 inch by 4 1/8, 5 3/4 inch by 4 1/8. So you get 2 cards and a wee tiny strip of paper left over, or card left over. And the way I do mine is I butt it in my scoreboard, hold it so it's well butted up, and just flip that over until I'm holding on still in here, but I'm just pushing that so that it sits nice and flat, and then just press it to go in now with your bone folder, and you have a nice crisp clean card folding edge to edge, no bother whatsoever. If you went in to do it with your score tool, we know in the UK ours is 8 2/8, so we would have to score that at 4 1/8. So if I go in and score that at 4 1/8, and then I go to fold it over, it is not meeting up. I don't care who you are, if you scored at that, it does not meet up. So you're left with that edge. So it's not really showing well. You can see it there. That edge is running the whole way down that card instead of the nice clean, crisp, double jointed one that I did by buttoning it up. So just try that. If you have never done it before, give it a go. Butt your card right in and fold it over, hold it underneath, press it till you're happy with it, and then just crease it down. And you have a lovely fold each and every time. Bye.